like, subscribe, and get notified.
We are proud to have with us here today the director of the film My Father's Shadow, which is part of the international competition section of the 56th International Film Festival of India. I would like to begin by telling you all that this film is the official Oscar entry from UK for the Best International Film category. It has also been acclaimed in various film festivals like Cannes, Toronto, and many more. So gracing the red carpet we have with us our amazing director, Mr. Akinola Davies Jr. And hosting him on the red carpet we have the esteemed artistic director of IFFI, Mr. Pankaj Saxena. Over to the esteemed director.
Thank you so much for that amazing introduction. It's a real honor to be here at IFFI. I was saying earlier, any opportunity for us as creators to make work that allows us to travel the world and experience other cultures and other people is a real privilege. This film was made with a lot of friends and family in Nigeria, and it's a love letter to Nigeria and an invitation for people from different backgrounds and cultures to see a Nigeria I know and love and experience it. So I hope everyone enjoys the film, and thank you so much for having me.
That's amazing. And can you tell us a little bit about how it feels to be here at the film festival and to have your film screened in this international competition section?
Like I said, it's a real honor. I'm freshly off the plane yesterday, but I'm really excited for audiences to watch the film. I'm excited to get into conversations and meet other filmmakers. It's the 56th year of the festival, so again, to be in such a prestigious festival was a complete privilege.
Beautiful. And when audiences walk out of the theatre tonight, what is the emotional imprint you hope that the film leaves on them?
Wow, great question. Well, I guess I would say our film is about family fundamentally, and I think so long as audiences think of the journey that their parents and their families have undertaken to create a legacy for them, I guess that's the most important thing. Just thinking about family, past, present, and future.
Indeed, beautifully said. And I have a question for the artistic director, Mr. Pankaj Saxena. Sir, in what way does this particular film contribute to the artistic direction for this year's competition lineup?
It contributes hugely. We have 15 films in competition, and this is a part of the main competition. So it's a huge contribution. Also, it's very interesting part of the festival that you see films from all over the world, and you connect with them as if it was something which was intimately related to them. This is that kind of a film. It's a film about children's relationship with their father, which they discover many years later, and then they look back on it very fondly like it was a film. It is something that connects with everybody in every culture, in every part of the world. It's a beautiful experience.
Celebrate the joy of gifting this festive season with Bhagyalakshmi Cashews and Dry Fruits, your trusted destination for premium dry fruits, cashews, chocolate, sweets, and exquisite handicrafts in the heart of Panjim. We have elegant dry fruit boxes and imported chocolate to lavish gift hampers and handcrafted treasures to make your celebrations truly special. Enjoy exclusive festive offers for family, friends, or corporate gifting. Visit us at Shop Number Tumarwa Hotel, AMG Road, near Don Bosco School, Panjim. Shop Number 40 Section 2, New Municipal Market, Panjim. Bhagyalakshmi, where gifting meets tradition.